Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're going to watch this video. Guys, this was a video how we reset our room, me and baby divine. So guys, you're welcome. If this is your first time to come across my videos, you're all welcome. I'm Frances 4Y, a Sierra Leonean YouTuber based in Sierra Leone, Mal 91. So guys, thank you for coming, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're returning subscribers, you guys are the real VMPs. I love and appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. So guys, in today's video, as I told you before, we are cleaning this room. This is our room. This is the room where me and baby divine have been sleeping since she was born till now. So, and this place was not meant to be a room, it was for a store. Yes. So they built this place for a store. So, but this room was empty then, 3 years ago. This room was empty and we were living in the girls' room, me, bomb power, dry hour. So three of us and our things were choked inside. So me, I want a little bit of freedom. So I decided to come outside here and I said I'm going to take this room. Then that was how I came in this room. I started sleeping on the floor. Yes, alone. I started sleeping on the floor alone before Divine was born. Later on, I bought a mattress. From there, started growing till Divine was born, and we are here today. So, guys, we are going to clean this room, renovate this room with us. Okay, love you. We are going to change this paint. Yes. So enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I paint